Have you ever wondered why some days you feel so calm and energized, ready to take on the world, and other days you feel completely drained before you've even had your first coffee? What if I told you your energy isn't random? The truth is, your energy is shaped by small daily habits. Some of these habits give you incredible power, while others are silently taking it away, one tiny piece at a time. Today, we're going to break down the crucial difference between what I call energy takers and energy givers. More importantly, I'll show you how making a few simple changes in your routine can dramatically improve how you feel every single day. It's all about becoming more intentional with where your energy goes. First, let's talk about the energy takers. These are the sneaky habits that slowly drain your mental, emotional, and physical strength without you even noticing. For example, constantly focusing on the past, replaying old conversations or mistakes keeps you emotionally stuck. It's like trying to drive forward while staring in the rearview mirror. Then there's inconsistent sleep. Going to bed and waking up at different times confuses your body's natural rhythm, leaving you feeling groggy and unfocused. Look around you. Is your space messy? Physical clutter creates mental clutter. It's a constant low-level distraction for your brain that saps your focus. And what about your phone? Too much screen time, especially endlessly scrolling through social media, overloads your nervous system with information and comparison, leaving you feeling anxious and inadequate. Finally, there's the big one: overworking without rest. Hustle culture tells us to keep pushing, but without proper breaks, you're just speeding toward burnout. Now for the good part: the energy givers. These are the powerful habits that refuel your tank and build resilience. It all starts with setting clear goals for your day. When you know what you're working towards, you feel a sense of purpose and direction. Next, make time for mindful movement. This doesn't have to be an intense workout. It can be a simple walk in nature, some gentle stretching, or even just dancing in your living room. Moving your body releases endorphins and clears your mind. Another huge energy giver is spending quality time with people who lift you up. Positive social connections are like a supercharger for your emotional well-being. Make sure to also nourish your body with healthy food. What you eat directly fuels your brain and body, so think of wholesome food as premium fuel for your engine. And finally, one of the most powerful energy givers is practicing gratitude. Taking a moment each day to notice what you're thankful for shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right, flooding your system with positivity. So, how do you make the switch? It's all about small, consistent swaps. Instead of grabbing your phone first thing in the morning, try taking 5 deep breaths. Instead of eating lunch at your desk, go for a 10-minute walk outside. Swap half an hour of scrolling at night for reading a few pages of a book or journaling. Replace negative self-talk with a simple, kind affirmation. It's not about a complete life overhaul overnight. It's about making one small positive change at a time. Good choice builds on the last, creating momentum. Start by identifying just one energy taker in your life that you want to change. Maybe it's the doom scrolling before bed. And pick one energy giver you want to add, like a 5-minute gratitude practice in the morning. Commit to just those 2 things for 1 week. See how you feel. Pay attention to your body and your mood. I promise you, when you start intentionally cultivating your energy, you'll feel a shift. You'll have more clarity, more motivation, and more joy in your daily life. You have the power to shape your energy. Start today. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a more intentional life. Let me know in the comments which energy giver you're going to try first. See you in the next one.